Welcome back to the Sleepy Kids of Texas channel. Thanks, Bear. You can start clapping now.
I'm still clapping. The 3B Kids of Texas.
Today we're making whipped cream.
I love clapping.
You can use it on your strawberry pie,
Or the pecan pie. Ugh.
or pumpkin pie.
Ew.
I really don't like the smell of pumpkin. You don't have to have a comment for everything.
But
You don't like the smell either.
I don't like the smell.
You can use it for lots of desserts, people. So let's get started. You only need 3 ingredients. Heavy whipping cream
Vanilla.
and sugar. Let's get started. It tastes really good.
It tastes really good too.
It's yummy in my tummy.
It's yummy in my tummy.
Check out our strawberry pie video on our channel.